Alright, y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Thursday, June 4th, and it is late. It is currently 8:50 right now. And I did not take a trade this morning, but I literally just got out of a trade round during Asia. And y'all see by the title, guys, I passed my account, so we back. We back. 5 Lucid accounts. We back like we never left. So here's the proof. Made about 1,400 per account, 1,365. You feel me? 53. All of them are passed. So, guys, we're officially back. We're back, guys. So, yeah, I mean, this trade, I was looking at it this like long specifically because um I just lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. So let me go to the higher time frame so I can show you what actually I was looking at. So as y'all see, we've been dumping all Asia, right? As soon as market opened, we've been dumping, right? I'm like, fuck, all right, cool. And I didn't check the markets till about maybe like 2 hours ago, and I saw we're already below the halfway point. As y'all saw from my recent video, guys, go check it out. This previous day high indicator with the equilibrium is such a game changer, guys. I'm telling y'all, it's such a game changer. But anyways, I opened up trading view, seen that we're already down here dumping. So I'm like, okay, the next draw was obviously previous day high, previous day low. I mean, right? Previous day low. So I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna take no shorts. I know that's a draw. I'm not gonna take any shorts. But once we take out that low, I did notice we're gonna make SMT with ES. So I'll see. Hopefully we can get a long opportunity, right? So go back down to the 1 minute, and this was really simple, guys. Really easy. So we're just dumping, right? We finally take out previous day low right here. Let me turn on this indicator so y'all can see. Boom. We took out this indicator. We took out this indicator. We took out this low, previous day low, and we kept pushing down, right? So I was being patient. I'm like, okay, I want to see some true displacement, right? You see, we're constantly making lower lows, lower highs, right? Lower lows, lower highs, and then boom, we still had the SMT, right? I had this marked out. I was watching the charts for like an hour. So then, boom, we 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 come down even lower, make a lower low, and then we start displacing up higher, right? But I was not gonna get it until we had a change in state and delivery, right? And usually I don't use this, but typically when we have a big extension move like that, and I want to see a reversal, I do want to see that plus the inverse, and that's exactly what happened right here. Change of state was right here. Boom, came down. We also inversed this 1 minute, respected this 1 minute gap, and as soon as we got in right here, we inversed this. I got in. I got in kind of late because I was like doing other stuff. I wasn't really paying attention, but I saw that we started displacing through there. And as soon as this next candle opened up and displaced, I got in mid candle. Once I noticed that, okay, we already had to change the state. I noticed once we started displacing up with this candle, I got in at 106, rode it to the swing high, which is also aligned with an Utfield 15-minute gap right here. Boom. That was the gist of the trade. Literally mechanical trade right there, right? Take my profits. All I needed was 1,400 to pass these accounts, and that's exactly what happened. So yeah, 1,400, 5 accounts passed. Hopefully, I don't know if Lucid does this. Hopefully, they update them by tomorrow morning, so I am able to trade these tomorrow morning. Um, but yeah, pretty simple trade. I mean, I don't know where else we're gonna go now. Obviously, we took our previous day low, so I don't see where else we'd head lower. But if I had to think, I think we're gonna come rebalance this range. Hopefully, get to this 50% mark at 377. But if not, tomorrow that's for sure gonna be my draw. I'm only looking for higher prices unless we create lower lows like on Asia. We had this Asia low, then I'll look for Asia lows. But other than that, yeah, I'm leaning more towards like bullish. I could have held longer, but like I said, I just wanted to get my profits, get out, pass these accounts, and yeah, that's exactly what happened. Literally no drawdown at all, no drawdown, straight to TP. Even now, you feel me? I could have trailed my stop even to right here, which I did. Trailed my stop, still good, right? So this trade was really good, really simple, and I'm glad that I'm finally back on 5 XFAs. It was kind of bad. I did have like a little month where I was kind of going through some things. Couldn't really get the right setups. Just y'all know if y'all trading through April, y'all know how bad that PA was. So now that we're over that, PA is finally starting to clean up. I'm back. Past 5 more accounts, we're back fully allocated again. So now hopefully this time, not hopefully, we're gonna get a payout. I am gonna get a payout. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for this video. I know it's really late, 8:53. I'm still gonna post this because I'm active. I try to stay active on here. I'm still gonna post this video, and yeah, make sure you have it. Make sure you tap me on my TikTok at Tone Trades. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all boys in the next one.